Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today with another very informative video. Al Mirai Food Company, that is our largest company of the world. Here are vacancies, a lot of vacancies. You can apply easily. I will guide you how to apply and what type of vacancies are there. But first of all, if you are first here on my channel, then must subscribe it in order to get jobs, scholarships and earning point of view videos. So let's start and move on the mobile screen to get full detail. Here in search bar Al Mirai, then click on search. Here you can see www.almirai.co. That is the official link of Al Mirai. Offers fresh and high quality dairy juice, bakery and poultry products for restaurants, cafes, hostels, bakeries, catering and more. That is a food product company. Then you have to click here on careers. Al Mirai. Al Mirai company. People are our most important asset. Attracting the right people, training them and providing the resources they need to satisfy the requirements of a world-class food company. That is a world-class food company. Continues to be a major priority of Al Mirai. That they respect, they honor their employees. There are different types of careers: experienced professionals, fresh graduates, non-degree holders if you have no any kind of degree, cooperative training. Then you can see here that there are four types of jobs, four types of peoples. That here experienced, fresh graduates, non-degree holders, cooperative trainings. Now you have to click here experienced professionals. These are for those who having different degrees, different educational experiences, so they must apply here. Your CV should be up to date and fresh. Working for Al Mirai, you can see here recruitment process to get hired. Create job profile. First of all, you have to create job profile, search for jobs, apply for jobs, get hired. Frequently asked questions: how do I apply for a vacancy? Do I need to apply for a particular vacancy? How many vacancies can I apply for? Can I submit a journal application? What should be the be in the CV? What should be in the CV? And at 6th number, do I have to complete my profile and attach a CV and cover letter for each application? 7, what are the steps in the recruitment process? How will I know the status of my application? You have to the different process. Now you have following things for in order to apply. First of all, your CV and then cover letter, and there are the answers of these questions are also given here. You can see and you can read here. Now in order to search for opening country, you select country from here: Saudi Arabia, ارجنٹینا, بحرین, ایجپٹ, جارڈن, کویت, عمان, قطر, سعودی عربیہ, یوکرین, UAE. جس بھی آپ کنٹری سے ہوں آپ یہاں پہ اس کو سلیکٹ کر کے جابس کو فائنڈ آؤٹ کر سکتے ہیں. سرچ جاب. There are different jobs. You can see here farm maintenance specialist. یہ ریسنٹلی جو ہے 10 تاریخ اکتوبر کی 10 کو یہ ہے اناؤنس ہوئی ہیں. اور سینئر انجینئرنگ مینیجر آٹومیشن پولٹری, یہ بھی سعودی عربیہ کی ہیں. اور یہاں پہ یہ دیکھیے نیکسٹ ہے اکاؤنٹنٹ کارپوریٹ, ٹیکنیکل ٹرینر, اسسٹنٹ فارم مینیجر سیکنڈ پولٹری, فیکٹری انجینئرنگ مینیجر DJFI, ریجنل ٹریٹری مینیجر. یہ 5/10/2023 کو پوسٹ ہوئی ہیں. کسٹمر کیئر ریپریزنٹیٹیو, لیبارٹری مینیجر, سینئر سیکیورٹی مانیٹرنگ اینڈ رسپانس انالسٹ. اس کے علاوہ بھی آپ یہاں پہ ڈفرینٹ جو ہے آگے پیج نیکسٹ کر کے 1 of 3 پیجز پہ ہیں یہ جابس. نیکسٹ یہ ہے ریجنل ٹریڈ مارکیٹنگ مینیجر, ٹیم لیڈر ٹرانسپورٹ اینڈ لاجسٹکس, یہ ریاض میں ہے. سینئر کوالٹی سپروائزر. اب ہم دیکھتے ہیں ڈیٹیل. یہ آ گئی ہے, یہ دیکھیں سلیکٹ ایکشن اپلائی, سائن ان کریں. ٹھیک ہے, already have an account. If you have already signed in, then you have to enter here your email and then password and sign in. If you are not a registered user yet, create an account. You have to click here on create an account to apply for our career opportunities. یہ دیکھیں یہاں پہ آپ اکاؤنٹ کریٹ کریں گے, then you can easily apply for this job. If you have any question, then you can ask in comment section.